Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear Indians, exploring opportunities to visit Spain, tuning in. Understanding the visa application process can help make your travel plans smoother and reduce unnecessary delays. Here's something helpful for you: getting visa guidance for Spain from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the career section, open passport and visa under the abroad category, and select Spain on that page. Spain is one of Europe's most popular destinations, attracting visitors for tourism, business, education, family visits, and cultural experiences. Before beginning your application, it is important to identify the correct visa category based on the purpose of your travel. Spain offers several visa types, including tourist, business, student, work, family reunification, and transit visas. For many travelers, the tourist visa, also known as the Schengen visa, is the most commonly used option. A successful application begins with understanding the basic eligibility and documentation requirements. Applicants generally need a valid passport, a completed visa application form, recent photographs, travel insurance, proof of accommodation, proof of financial means, and travel-related documents. Travel insurance is particularly important as applicants are typically required to have coverage that meets Schengen visa requirements. Proof of accommodation may include hotel reservations or an invitation letter if you are staying with family or friends. Financial documents help demonstrate that you can support yourself during your stay in Spain. Bank statements, income-related documents, and other supporting records may be requested as part of the application process. A cover letter explaining the purpose of your visit, planned itinerary, and intended duration of stay can also strengthen your application. Depending on your situation, employment documents, business records, or student-related documents may be required as additional supporting evidence. Once your documents are prepared, the next step is scheduling an appointment through the authorized visa application center or the Spanish consulate. Applicants should ensure that all information provided across their documents is accurate and consistent. During the appointment, applicants may be required to submit biometric information, including fingerprints and photographs. Visa fees and service charges are generally paid during the application process according to the applicable requirements. After submission, applicants can usually track the progress of their visa application through the official tracking system provided by the Visa Processing Center. Once the application has been processed, the passport can be collected from the application center or delivered through available courier services. Applying well in advance of your intended travel date is highly recommended. Early preparation allows sufficient time for document verification, appointment availability, processing timelines, and any additional requests that may arise. Applicants should also be prepared to answer questions about their travel plans if an interview or additional verification is required. Careful planning, accurate documentation, and timely submission can significantly improve the overall application experience. By understanding the process and preparing thoroughly, Indian travelers can approach the Spain visa application process with greater confidence and clarity. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Go to the career section, open passport and visa under the abroad category, and select Spain on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.